Here's how to create an automatic discount that only applies once per customer in Shopify. We're going to use two apps to implement this. The first is called Shopify Flow. It's produced by Shopify and it's free. Shopify Flow will allow us to automatically assign a tag to a customer account depending on which discounts were applied in the cart. The second app we'll be using is an app that we developed. It's called Regio's Automatic Discounts. Regio's Automatic Discounts allows you to create discounts that apply to every customer who does not have a specific tag. The goal of today's setup is to create a special customer tag that only ends up on the accounts of customers who have used a specific discount before. Let's dive right in. Open Shopify Flow and press Create Workflow. Let's select a trigger. Go ahead and search order. And I'm going to choose order paid, but you can also use order fulfilled, order created, etc. Next, we're going to add a condition. Click this plus icon, select condition, and now we're going to go to the right of the screen, click add criteria, go ahead and click order, and use the search bar to filter. We want to look for discount applications. Next, automatic discount application and title. So this will be the title of the discount we create. I'm going to call it my discount. You can choose whatever title you want, but keep in mind that this might be case sensitive. Next, click then, add an action. Let's go ahead and search customer, add customer tags. Now we're going to add a new tag called used-my-discount. Just remember the title and customer tag that you set up in the Shopify Flow, as we'll need to reference them later when we're setting up the discount in Regio's Automatic Discounts. Let's add a title for this workflow and call it once per customer. Please keep in mind that if you have multiple discounts that you'd like to apply only once, you'll have to create separate flows for each one. I've clicked turn on workflow. Go ahead, click turn on. And now when an order is paid, this logic will run. Next, open Regio's Automatic Discounts and create a product, shipping, or order discount. I'm going to choose product discount. And the title will need to match what we had in Flow. In my case, it's my discount. Next, scroll down to where it says switch to advanced settings. Click edit logic, delete this apply discount step. Click then, check if, edit criteria, add criteria, include/exclude customers, add criteria. Change include eligible customers to exclude eligible customers. Select specific customer tags. We're going to add the tag we use in our Shopify Flow, used-my discount. Important, make sure to type enter after used-my discount to add it to the list. Let's exit that view. Next, let's click then apply discount. And we'll use that title, my discount. It's up to you what the discount is. I'm just going to make it 50% off every product in the store. Now, let's demonstrate how it works. Here is the customer account I'll be using to test this discount setup. As you can see, it has no tags right now. I've added some items to my cart. As you can see, the discount, my discount, is applied in the cart. Go ahead and click check out. The discount will appear there as well. Be sure to enter the email of the correct customer account. Enter your payment details and hit Pay Now. I'm using Shopify's test checkout so that I don't get charged. Now that we've placed our order, I just refreshed the customer account page, and now you can see the tag used-my discount is on this customer. Let's test that customers with the used my discount tag can't get the discount again. Let's hit continue shopping. Now I've added some different items as well as one of the same items to my cart. As you can see, no discount is applied. No discount is applied in the checkout either. Because both Shopify Flow and Regio's automatic discounts happen on the server side, no bad actors can override your discount logic. This means this is a foolproof method to create automatic discounts that apply only once per customer. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and press the subscribe button.